two brothers from different sides of the world
Go to the States to find my brother.
must put their differences aside.
Alex?
I was afraid you might have forgotten.
It's the one remaining tie I have to a family in Serbia.
And overcome incredible odds.
Hello, everybody.
Christians and Muslims don't mix.
You made a lot of people sick.
To rescue him.
We've made arrangements to get you across the border, but then we can't help you.
I will die before I tell you what you want to know. And so will my sons.
We don't have this.
Sorry to hear that.
Oh my God.
Free her.
Susanna, I love you. I will come back for you.
And save the world.
This formula is unpredictable.
From the deadliest threat.
Here I am.
Let him go!
Stop that guy!
You're a monster.
Serbian Scars. Vladimir Radchik, Mark Dacascos, and Michael Madsen. Freedom is never free.